Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about functionality added to the work order legacy form that make it easier for dispatcher and managers to track the different status and the time stamps that are occurring as a part of work order. So in this video, we are going to cover these fields: total estimate duration, first arrived on, completed on, and closed on in work order legacy form. Now go back to the field service application. So first create new work order. Now click on new button from here. So first select the service account as Cafe Duo, and billing account is also Cafe Duo, and select the work order type is diagnosis and repair, and select the incident type facility assessment. And if you want to add more detail, so you can add it. Now click on record log tab. So we have this field called total estimated duration. So what this field will do is, so all this time we have not had a field that hold the full duration at the work order level of the work order. So in this case, we will see that this get populated by incident type, and then I will apply some other things. This will continue to get updated based on all of the things that impact duration, so that we apply to the work order. Now we will see this field first arrived on and getting updated when the first booking is marked has arrived, and then we have this other new field completed on, in which we'll have the last completed or the last booking the end, so we'll update this field. Now save this record. So I have applied one incident type which will see update the total estimate duration. So firstly refresh it. Now click on record log tab. Now it is updated to 45 minutes because the incident type that I have applied. So now if I add one more incident type, now click on three dot and then click on new work order incident. So work order number is 00049. So I am selecting incident type heat bed sensor alert, and estimate duration is 45 minutes. Now click on save and close from here. So firstly refresh it. Now click on record log tab. So it is updated to 1.5 hour. Now click on the service task tab and then click on new work order service task. So here select the service task type as check device, and estimate duration is 15 minutes. So click on save and close from here. So firstly refresh it. So again click on record log tab and it is updated to 1.75 hours. So that is both of the incident and the service task that are unassociated to an incident. So this is the full duration calculation for the work order. Now move to the first arrived on. So first go ahead and schedule this work order. Now go to the schedule board and schedule this work order for this resource. So easily drag and drop this work order. Now right click on this work order and change the status to in progress. So click on this work order. Like when this resource is arrived, if we actually look at the booking. Let's show how this is working. You look at the booking and we will see actual arrival time has a value as 5:17 p.m. Now go back to the work order and firstly refresh it. Now click on record log tab. So we will see that's my first arrived on value is 5:17 p.m. because that's when my first booking arrived. If I had another booking, so that happened to arrive earlier, but the guy thinks later on whatever the order of those things come in the field would always refresh to reference the earliest and the first arrival for this booking for this work order and completed on similarly. So first go back to the schedule board. So click on this work order and change the status to be completed. Now click on that. So if we were to look end time of this record, so end time is 6 p.m. and it is in completed state. Now go back to the work order and firstly refresh it and click on the record log tab. Now we will see the end time is updated to 6 p.m. So we see total estimate duration first arrived on completed on for this work order. And now click on the journal tab and change the system status to be posted and click on save from here. So again click on record log tab. Now it shows the close posted time, which tell a completed narrative of the life cycle of this particular work order. So in this video we covered how to use total estimate duration, first arrived on, completed on and closed on field in work order legacy form in Microsoft Dynamics 365 field service. Thanks for watching.